Hey friends, welcome to the overview of the Explorer Slim. This was the first product we ever made at Gravel, and it's near and dear to our heart. It's pretty great for shorter trips or if you pack a little bit less. We actually offer 4 toiletry bags: small, medium, large, and extra large, and this is the Slim. Jumping on the outside, this is made from a tarpaulin material. The outside's really durable, water resistant. On the back here, we have a little zipper. This is a fleece lined pocket. I typically put band-aids and stuff in here, but you can put contact case, you can put your phone or your passport or something like that if you want. And then the top pocket is where the hang strap is. So there's a strap with a small G-hook. You can loop it all around whatever you want, hang it up in whatever bathroom, and obviously looks better hanging open. So going through this at the top, this does hold an electric toothbrush if you remove the head. It is pretty tight, it is pretty small. If you do want an electric toothbrush on your trips, I would check out the Explorer Plus or the Explorer Max. It's just gonna fit it a little bit better, but it does work in this. These pockets fit quite a bit. So in here currently we have deodorant, shaver, contact case. Under here there's also a hidden pocket for earrings or rings or small items like that. If we go a little bit lower, there is another pocket here for other miscellaneous items. Currently we have some chapstick, toenail clippers, some floss, some Tiger Balm, a couple Q-tips. It obviously is not packed to the brim currently, but it fits a surprising amount of stuff. In this bottom area, this is kind of the waterproof section. It fits 2 of our Gravel 3-ounce bottles, so you can do a shampoo conditioner, you can do a shampoo body wash, whatever. Again, it's smaller, it is a tight fit, but if you don't bring a crazy amount of stuff, it's really great. And that is the Explorer Slim. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions at all, please shoot us an email at hello@graveltravel.com. Safe travels.